Hello and welcome to a quick video where we set up a dashboard without writing a single line of code. This is the first of a series of loosely related videos about my personal dashboard named Biohack. In this video we will use a Google spreadsheet to serve as the data source for a Google Data Studio dashboard. This shouldn't take any knowledge of code or databases, although knowledge of these topics certainly helps. You can think of a spreadsheet as a good way to prototype a real database. Column headers are your table's field names and each row is a record in your table. All you need to do is add some data and the spreadsheet part is done. All of the data entry here is manual, but at the end of the video I'll show you how to add Fitbit data automatically. To keep things simple, make sure your tables, or rather sheets, are as denormalized as possible. As an example, I want to track exercising. Rather than log push-ups and bicep curls in the same sheet, I separate them to their own sheets. This makes migrations and changes simpler in the future and also ensures faster queries for more complex situations. Once you've got your data, open Google Data Studio and create a new report. Connect a sheet from your spreadsheet and add it to your report. Choose a chart type and ensure that you have the correct data source. Change the metric to the row 1 header from your sheet. In this case, that's called push-ups. Data Studio is really powerful, so we're only scratching the surface here. If you have to change or add field names, you can propagate those changes to your dashboard by going to Resource and then Manage Added Data Sources. Click Edit on your data source and click the Refresh Fields button. At this point, you may need to refresh the page. If something's not working, refreshing the page is the first thing you should try. If your data has changed and you don't see it on the dashboard, hit the refresh button on the report page, which should do the trick. If you have any other questions, hit up the data channel in my Discord, link in the description. You can add more charts and do some customization, and your dashboard may end up looking like mine here. This is Biohack v3 with some sample data for the video admittedly. You can find it in the description or go to mddl.link/biohack. The live version should be correct and up to date. Now, as promised, Fitbit data. I use a tool called IFTTT for this. Make an account and follow these steps. Create an applet. Add Fitbit as your service for the if this part and choose daily activity summary. For the then that part, add Google Spreadsheet as your service and choose add row to spreadsheet. Adjust your settings and create action. Now you can add that new spreadsheet as usual to your Data Studio report. Well, that's it for this video and I hope this was helpful for you. I encourage you to become a biohacker with me. So if you're interested, set up your own dashboard and share it with me on Twitter or Discord, and I may feature it in a future video. If you liked this video, please hit subscribe, and I will see you again next week.